Okay, so let's say I want to make different variations of different types of robots. I already have this guy, right? I can easily take a look at his head. Let's go ahead and take Provost down. Here's his head. So I can go ahead and take his head and I could go ahead and add a bulge, for example. So now that I added a bulge, I can go ahead and move that and center it. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you how we could just add that to the head. And all of a sudden, now I can go ahead and squeeze the head. I can, get the head bigger. I can easily get a different type of model right away. So let's say I like that. I can go ahead and duplicate these heads and have different types of heads as I go along. Current state to object, boom. Should give me a different head. So I can take that head or that head and go ahead and move it. So now I have a different type of robot. I can go back to my bulge. And let's say I want to go ahead and get this type of head. So now I can go ahead, select that head, go ahead and right mouse click, current state to object. It'll give me a third type of head. And now I can go take that and move it here. So just by using bulge, you can see that I can come up with something more like this, more like that. Or I can take the bulge away from the main head. What happens when you take the bulge away? It will go back to normal because it's maintaining history, and now I have the normal head. So you can easily see by, bulging, twisting, bending, you can definitely start to get different models, and you can attach them. You can just duplicate the body. You can even bend the body if you wanted. But just by, manipulating the head, you can definitely get different types of models.